Morning all of you students. In last lecture we already discussed about the three activities. How the chlorophyll is important for the photosynthesis, how the light is important for the photosynthesis, how you detect the starch, and some other thing also we discussed, parasite, how the parasite gets the food. But now in this lecture of the nutrition, respiration and excretion in the plant, we discuss about student, yes, in text question 1. Yes, in text question 1, the translocation of the food is carried out by, yes student, guess please. In last lecture I already told about what is the translocation. Translocation, a transfer of the food from one part of the plant to the another part. By which tube? That is a phloem. The translocation of the food is carried out by, that is a phloem. Carried out by a phloem. Yes, very easy question, student. Oxygen moves out from the cell by the process of, yes, oxygen moves out from the cell by the process of, yes, oxygen coming out, yes. How the plants get the oxygen? With the process of diffusion, student. The movement of the substance from the high concentration to low concentration. Because outside concentration more, inside, yes, carbon dioxide outside concentration more, inside the plant is less. So that's why plant take carbon dioxide. If inside oxygen is more, that coming out. Now this is only, the oxygen moves out from the cell by the process of diffusion. Yes. The photosynthesis is a pigment. The photosynthesis pigment is, which pigment uses a chlorophyll, student? A green pigment. A green pigment present in the chloroplast, in the guard cell. Already told about to you. In guard cell, little chloroplasts are there in which chlorophyll is there. What is the function of the chlorophyll? It will trap the sunlight. Trap the sunlight and give to the carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide break into C plus O2, and then C react with the water, that gives us glucose. A very easy reaction, photosynthesis, chlorophyll. Yes, this is the practice only, student, for the in-text question number 1. This is the answer. Now we discuss the next topic, that is a respiration. Respiration. Yes, respiration. Respire. This is the reversible reaction of the photosynthesis. Our body also get the energy with the process of photosynthesis. How? Yes, we take glucose from the plant in our body. Plant also respire actually. Plant also respire, do the photosynthesis also, respiration also, because plant also want the energy. Yes, reversible reaction of photosynthesis, student. In photosynthesis, what you do? Yes, first of all we discuss the photosynthesis reaction. In photosynthesis, CO2 plus H2O gives us glucose plus O2 in the presence of chlorophyll and in the presence of sunlight. Photochemical reaction, that was sunlight. And the reversible reaction like this, we take a glucose from the, actually we take the starch from the plant, because the glucose stored in the plant in the form of starch only. Whenever have the salivary-amylase enzyme which convert the starch into maltose, simple sugar. This was the complex, starch is a complex sugar. Then reversible reaction, that glucose go into the cell and cell take the oxygen, that's why we take the oxygen. Then cell take the oxygen, then in the cell which reaction is going on, that was, it releases CO2 and H2O, that's why we exhale the carbon dioxide. Yes, and energy produced there. This is the reaction of respiration. So respiration, actually this was the human body, but the same reaction is happen in the plants also. Plants also, student. Yes, respiration, the process by which living beings utilize the food to get the energy. To utilize the food to get the energy. That's why the respiration is there. Plants also get the energy by this process. Plants makes the food, but the reversible reaction gives us energy also. Yes, student. Respiration in the plants takes place in all the cells and serves to provide energy to carry out their life processes. So respiration in plant takes place in all the cells and serves to provide the energy. Actually, it provides the energy for the different life processes happen in the plants. Actually, it was an oxidation reaction, because in the presence of oxidation, the special, actually respiration are two types, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic means in the presence of oxygen. The reaction happen in the presence of oxygen, students. Yes. Same glucose when react, same reaction is there. When glucose react with oxygen, oxidation reaction. Addition of oxygen is an oxidation reaction in mitochondria. Actually, in the cell, which part is there in the cell is that is a mitochondria. The reaction happens there in the presence of enzyme. It gives the CO2 plus H2 plus energy. Lot of energy is produced in these reactions. 38 ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. It is a currency of an energy currency in our body. Adenosine triphosphate. Actually, body's energy store in the form of adenosine triphosphate. Actually, it was a triphosphate. When we require energy, actually ATP converted into ADP, adenosine diphosphate. When one bond break, it gives us energy. So energy is stored in our body in the form of ATP, student. Oxygen is taken in the throughout the stomata. Already told. The main part of the leaves is the stomata is there, from where exchange of the gases takes place. Yes, carbon dioxide and water vapor are released by product. See there, carbon dioxide and water vapor. When stomata open, it releases the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide released during the respiration is used for the photosynthesis. Yes, obviously extra during the respiration, carbon dioxide released. The balance between the human beings and the plants are there. When plant release oxygen, the human beings take the oxygen, release carbon dioxide, and plants also want the carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis. That released by the human being. The balance is there actually. The carbon dioxide released during the respiration is used for the photosynthesis during daytime. Yes, aerobic mean with the air. It is a release of a relatively large amount of energy, 38 ATP. One more reaction is the anaerobic reaction, student. That we discuss in next chapter. I'm repeating in again. Actually, this is the photosynthesis reaction. CO2 plus H2 gives us C6H12O6 plus O2, student, glucose. Respiration already told. Utilization of the food to get the energy in the cell. Same the plant also do the respiration. Yes, respiration reaction, the oxidation aerobic reaction is there. In the presence of oxygen, mitochondria and the CO2 plus gives us water, energy in the form of stored in our body, ATP. When you require energy, it converted into ADP. One phosphate bond break. Carbon dioxide and water vapor release in the byproduct. The carbon dioxide released during the respiration is used for the photosynthesis during the daytime. And aerobic mean with air, the reaction in the presence of air. In next lecture, the student discuss about anaerobic reactions. Thank you.